Hi there, excuse me. Hi there, it's Janice Thompson from JazzleDazzleCraft.co.uk. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator and I live and work in Scotland. Today I am recording another quick and easy birthday card using masking technique, and I've got a few stamp sets out. I'm not sure if I'm going to use all of them, but I've got Biggest Wish. I'm going to use the sentiment from that, and basically what I'm looking for is some foliage and leaves, so I may use some from Nature's Prints. I'm definitely going to use some of these from Lighting the Way because they're just lovely, and I've got an idea that I might use this stamp from Queen Bee, the broken type. That's in my head. But anyway, first of all, we need to set up. I've chosen a colour palette. I've got Night of Navy, Coastal Cabana, Lost Lagoon and Lemon Lime Twist. So a couple of returning colours and a couple of existing colours. So that's what I've got out. I've got a layer of basic white which will mat onto a layer of Night of Navy and then onto my basic white card base. So my stamping's going to happen on this, and I have cut from a sheet of our masking paper, I've cut a 1-inch strip, making sure that I've got that across the shorter length of that paper. That is available in the annual catalogue. Right, so this is really quite tacky. So before I stick it down, I want to take some of the tack off it, just to make it less tacky. So I know it's like I'm putting my jumper here, but basically to let you see, I'm just several times on a garment. Put that down. I'll just continue to do that a few times. It was just so that you had something visual. Now you can see the top I'm wearing today. Right, so as you see, it's picked up some of the fibres, and that's good because that's what I want now. I'm going to use my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so just that's the middle. I'm just trying to make it, whoops, trying to make sure it's straight here. Okay, I'm going to stand up. I'm sitting down just like we're going to stand up and pop this. Right across there. If it's not perfectly straight, it's straight enough. I think it's marginally. So she says enough and then she starts fiddling. Right, I'm not going to fiddle, it's just going to have to be good enough. So that's my mask there. So when I clear that mask off, I should have a white strip which I can then sorry, my brain was I'm trying to think and speak at the same time and it's not working. So I had the idea that I wanted to put this in the background, the broken type, so I need to look at it carefully because it has got some words that you can read. I want it to be up the right way, and I'm going to probably do this with Lemon Lime Twist, but I'm going to stamp off because I don't want this to be too strong. Even though it is broken, I still don't. maybe one more. Just to put a little colour in the background. I'm also thinking I want to pick up some of this. I'm just thinking this out as I go. Right, I'm taking the worst off there, and then I'm just going to come in and just do some circles on either side. And then I might just take this. So it's just taking, you know, so that I don't have a stark white background. And I've got a little bit of texture in the background with that. So I think that will suffice. And then we'll look and see what leaves we're going to use. So I'll put that away. I think these are lovely, these leaves, but I think I might want, do I want something a bit bigger or not? Right, I'll see how we go with these ones. If I feel the need to add something else in, I will. It's just that in my head these are a bit slim. Do you know what? I think I will. I'm going to add in the fern actually. And I'm still using this lemon lime twist, which I'm hoping will be kind of in the background. Now, when you're stamping, you want to be having the end of the stem on your masking tape paper. And we'll just point that one up at what I'm meant to do is do second generation there. And I meant to do it there too, right? So, right, 1, 2, 1. 2. So just put in some of that colour in there. I'm just going to leave that at that. Then I'm going to come in with Lost Lagoon. I'll bring out the leaves that I want to use. I just want to use all the foliage here. I'll pop these over there, just out of the way. Now, again, we'll do first and second generation, but to do ones going from the top, because I've got a shorter space here, I'm not inking that up all the way. I'm going to take that up to the corner and then twist it. Put another bit there. I didn't really twist that far enough. This time I'll maybe ink it all the way actually this time. That might wipe off that extra ink that I've managed to pick up. I'll bring this one, because I've got more space here, I'm going to bring that one right down. And second generation. There we go. We might put another bit here, but maybe a shorter bit. That bit's just gone to the top, well, nearly to the top of that. This is a bit juicy because it's a new pad, but it's giving a slightly different texture. I'll take that one off there, and then we will take this nice big one. And I think we'll bring in Coastal Cabana now. Again, being a bit careful what we're inking up while we're doing in the top. Yeah, it wouldn't matter. I have kind of done a bit there, but and I want to bring it down the whole length this time. And a bit more up here, so I will just ink up the top. I'm just keep looking at it and deciding what else I want in it. So I think I would like one to go kind of that way. That didn't work so well. That wasn't my best stamping, but it will be alright because I'm going to go over it. I think we'll just leave it at that for Coastal Cabana. And then I'm going to come in with Night of Navy and this little sprig thing. So I'm going to try and bring you as many birthday cards as I can during June. As I've said already, it is my birthday month, so just nice to share the love a bit. And let's face it, we always are needing a birthday card. There's always somebody with a birthday. Second generation didn't work too well there. I think it might just be because I've got quite a lot of other colours there. Might even just do another first generation there. I'm going to do the same here. These ones are distinctive stamps. I think I'm going to leave it at that. I do like the navy on it. There's bit of me wants to have a bit of fun here and pop in a firefly or two. What do you think with the tiny one? Or will we just pop in a couple? Where is the teeny tiny one? This one. Just purely for the fun. I'll pop him in. We'll have a wee night of navy. Firefly. Took the right way up, Janice. So we'll just pop them in. One. I just think this is adorable. Just pop 3 in. I need to stop. I will need the night of navy right enough. I won't need that for my sentiment, I think. So now I'm going to take this off. Now hopefully this will come off quite smoothly. But I'll just do it slowly. Do it kind of like diagonal like that. Just take your time. If it starts to catch your paper at all and looks like it might tear, stop immediately. And what you can use is your heat gun. You just apply a little bit of heat. Yeah, I'm liking that. So now I need to try and stamp straight with the happy birthday. So I didn't get them out, so I've got birthday. I used these in the previous birthday card. So I need happy. And there's lots of other, you know, you've got thanks, hello, and you've got happy here as well. So you can do a happy birthday that way. You've got lots of ways of using these, but I'm just going to stick to what I think fits in here. So I'm going to ink up my happy. I'm going to have to bring this slightly closer. I hope you'll still be in shot. Ink it up very. Make sure I've got plenty ink. What I want to do, this just fits in that inch. I did have a practice, it is just an inch. Hope it works. Perfect. And then I've got a block here for the birthday. Probably still lying from when I filmed the other one that I used this for. This time I'm not overlapping. Well, I will be a little bit, but I'm thinking that the birthday just fits in. So there we go. Happy birthday. So it's, you know, it's not it's got texture, but it's not a huge, doesn't use up lots of paper. There's not lots of layers, and yet there's a bit, looks like it has got layers, but it hasn't. So I'm going to mat this onto here. And by putting the night of navy border, it just pulls that colour out there. And then we'll just pop that onto the card base. And that is another quick and easy card. Obviously you can change the sentiment, and you know the reasons why I've chosen birthday as my theme for June. Masking was a theme in my classes for May, so hence I'm recreating some of the masking technique that I used in my classes. So there you are. I'll show you one that I did make previously, one that I made for the card for the class was that one, where I've used more of Nature's Prints. In fact, I used all Nature's Prints for these. And then this, but I think my layer was a little bigger here as well. So, but I'm okay. That's them. So I'll pop that one out the way so that you can see the one we've just made as we finish the video. So thank you very much for watching the video today. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Please press the bell icon so you get notified when I'm coming on again. And if you wish to buy any of the products that you see me using, they are available on my online shop at JazzleDazzle.stampinup.net. Yeah, all my links are in the description box below. You will have to push the more button to get all the information. If you want to get in touch with me, please do so by using one of the links below. Thank you very much.